Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are visiting flower show in Bhubaneswar. Annual flower show is organized by Regional Plant Research Center at Ekamra Kanan Botanical Garden. The show gives opportunity to see the beautifully designed flowers and purchase them from shops set here. Also all necessary garden materials made available here. It occurs every year second week of January. The annual flower show 2025 is currently underway at the Ekamra Kanan Botanical Garden in Nayapalli, Bhubaneswar. Inaugurated by Chief Minister Mohan Majhi on 7th January 2025, the event will run until 11th January 2025. The event offers free entry and parking, making it accessible to all visitors. Organized by the Regional Plant Resource Center, the flower show showcases a diverse array of floral displays, highlighting Odisha's rich horticultural heritage. The exhibition features various competitions, workshops, and cultural programs, providing an engaging experience for nature enthusiasts and families alike. Delegates from different countries are also participating, adding an international dimension to the event. This event presents an excellent opportunity to immerse yourself in a vibrant celebration of nature's beauty and creativity. Along with flower exhibition, you can enjoy different Orient delicacy and multi-cuisine food here from different food stalls available here. You can also explore Ekamra Kanan, which is a very beautiful park. You can visit my channel for detailed video on Ekamra Park. Please stay tuned for more such travel videos. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more such videos.